Hi Sagittarius, this is your reading for the coming week, that is the 8th of February to the 14th of February. Let's see what the Valentine's week has got for you guys. Alright, this is for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message here that I talk about is for everybody watching the video. Sagittarius, deep breath. Take a deep breath in. Feel the love. Feel all the peace, harmony that's abundantly present in this universe, waiting for us to tap into whenever needed. Sagittarius, you get imagine and community. This feels more to me like that co-create card in the deck. Feels like your community is helping you in some way. Your community could be your friend circle, could be your social circle. The people you are constantly surrounded with becomes your community. Your spiritual community may be helping you transcend something, ascend into onto your spiritual journey. Some sort of help here from the people you are surrounded by. Sagittarius. Okay. Let's see. I do feel a lot of ascension energy here. Yes, very spiritual energy, indeed. We don't do reversals here. I have time and again been saying that. No reversals on my channel. No reverse readings. Wow, okay. Sagittarius, for you, for the overall energy for the reading, you get the Ace of Pentacles, a brand new beginning. It could be about work, it could be about anything, it could be about love as well. This is a general reading, so please take however it resonates with you guys. In the recent past, you have the Page of Cups, the Six of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. Could have been some sort of a reunion here, coming back together with somebody. It did feel like a balanced approach this time. And I guess somebody came towards you. If not, it could be you spending time with the people you know, your own community. Trying to balance things in your life. You are not, I don't sense a specific thing that you are trying to balance, but life in general. Your community brings in a lot of balance into your life. The people you're surrounded by, your friends, your family. In the in the current energies, you have the Fool, Justice and the Queen of Wands. We have the Queen and the King of Wands in the same reading. You could be dealing with a soulmate. The Fool, Justice, Queen of Wands. You did take a leap of faith towards something, Sagittarius. I strongly feel that. Something that you thought was right for you. In the immediate future, you have the Page of Swords, King of Wands and the World card. Some sort of completion, a completion of a cycle. It need not be an end of a relationship. It could be a pattern that you have been following maybe you and your person together are following some kind of pattern that is not correct. This could be somebody you're connected with over the internet, could be a long distance relationship, you all could be like worlds apart, you all could be living in different countries. We'll clarify. Let's clarify the Page of Cups there. Thank you. What is the resistance? Yes. Sagittarius, I hope I did not say Leo in the beginning of the reading. Alright. Sagittarius, I think I did say that you were spending time with your families or family or friends or your community as a whole. There seems to be some resistance on your side in learning something and moving forward in life. You may have felt a lot stuck in your past, Sagittarius. You would have not made the time to spend time with your family or friends. That could have been a past pattern. But I do have a feeling that most of y'all have overcome that pattern and y'all have moved forward and started mingling with people or the community that helps you elevate your spirit. You've started interacting more with the people who identify with your soul. Okay, let's clarify the Justice card here in the current energies for Sagittarius. Can we have some more clarity, please? Can we have some more clarity, please? Thank you. Yes. In the current energies, you have the Fool, Justice, and the Queen of Wands, and the Justice is clarified by the Tower, the Star, and the Nine of Swords. There could have been an ending here, a blowing up in your face that happened in a relationship that you had taken a leap of faith. This is for you to just remember that whatever you're currently going through, whatever tower movement that you are experiencing, it was supposed to come in to bring in some sort of balance that was lacking. You may be in this mindset of not able to sleep. Maybe there is lack of communication between you and your person because of the distance or the timings, the time zones. Try to sit with yourself and heal whatever this is supposed to heal in you. Let's see. What is the Queen of Wands here? Clarify the Queen of Wands, please. Move forward, Sagittarius. Instead of waiting for this person, keep going on your journey. Keep following your journey. I don't think in our lives we ever need to wait for anything. whatever, be always, we have to remember that we have to be in the state of flow, so that we allow things to come in, allow things to go when it is taught us whatever it was supposed to teach us through the experience. There is no need to wait for anything, there is no need to go back, there is only way forward. The road is only ahead, there is no road back. Get out of this waiting mode. For some of you, it could be a marriage. Let's see. Your person feels the same for you, Saji. If you are trying to know that, and I think you all belong to the same community. When I say the same community, I don't mean to bring in caste, religion, or anything. I'm trying to say that you're the spiritual community. Maybe you all are into the same meditation group, maybe you all are into the same yoga group. The community that you all resonate with is the same. And the person, this is mutual love here for sure. You all could have thought of this as a long-term relationship, like this will go the distance, this is my person. And there's no denial about this is not your person, because I don't see a card that is supposed to indicate that this is done and dusted. Even though there is the World card here, I don't sense an ending here yet. I do sense some sort of ending to a pattern that you guys have been following, and it's time to get out of it. Sagis, that's the message I have for you guys. Close the cycle and move forward. Ascend on your journey. Yes, that's the title for your video, Sagi. Just noting it down. Okay. Alright, Sagittarius. I hope there is some message for you guys here, for whoever is watching. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If it is a message, I am so sorry. If it is a message for you, you would really understand that deep within. Okay, Sagis. Until next time, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.